here we go again. Stockx just cannot get right, bruh. They on every tabloid, every post, almost every single month. And this one right here just don't make it no better for Stockx. We gotta talk about today's video, man. Let's get right into it.
You don't put a tag or something?
No tag. Unless it is selling on the platform.
Okay.
Only the sale, man.
You don't UV light? They're fake.
Yeah? That's crazy.
Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping in, man. Your boy The Vintage is back in the building, and we got to do something crazy on the intro. So I need you guys to feel my energy. I need y'all to feel the vibes when I'm coming across on your phone, your TV, your laptop, wherever you watch me at. I need y'all energy to be matched, you feel me? But if you guys are new here to the channel, man, make sure you guys subscribe right now. Hit the notification bell for your boy, and please, man, run them likes up, man. Every single like counts, every subscriber counts, every comment counts. So do your boy a solid and go ahead and let me know what you think about Stockx down below in the comment section. I know the huge issue last year was that they can't guarantee authenticity of products that go through their, services when they do authenticate their stuff. I don't know, that was a crazy, tabloid last year, crazy topic of discussion. But this year, which we're about to talk about, you guys seen the video, it just don't make it no better for them, man. But yeah, go ahead and like the video, sub up, hit them comments down below. Let me know how you feel about them, and we're gonna jump into today's video, man. All right, so with Stockx, like I said earlier last year, the huge lawsuit came out from Nike against Stockx, and they pretty much said they cannot guarantee authenticity, you know what I'm saying? And kind of people have been feeling that way for a long time with Stockx. Me personally, I've shopped with Stockx for years. I'm not saying that they sell fakes. I'm saying they sell 100% authentic, items. I buy stuff from Stockx in the past. I've done it multiple times, bought early kicks, bought grills, all types of stuff. And then last year, like I said, that huge news came out, and I was like, let me go ahead and follow along with GOAT, man. GOAT been rocking out. I've been rocking out with GOAT for a very, very long time. Very reliable, and I just love how they sell used sneakers. Kind of gives you a separate aspect of purchasing sneakers. But this is not a GOAT versus Stockx video. This is literally talking about how Stockx keeps dropping their own standards low, bro. They were at a sneaker convention, and somebody purposefully took a fake to one of the Stockx verifiers, and it was wrong. He was so confident that they were real. That's what kind of got me. Like, I actually, when I was looking at it, I was laughing when I seen it, because I'm like, bro, he looks so confident that these are authentic. So another little flip side to that, we can't say that that pair is actually fake. We can't say that pair is actually real. We don't know. We weren't there. But for the video's sake, you know what I'm saying? If somebody did go there to purposely do a video to catch them up, it's just one of them things. You got to take it how you see it. And another thing, perception means everything in today's day and age, you know what I'm saying? Perception is everything. What people see, they believe it instantly without getting any background information. And with this, like I said, it does not help their case of not guaranteeing 100% authenticity of the products. And this is like one of them things, bro, like people are always gonna try to catch you up. That's not just with products, that's with life in general, vehicles, houses, whatever you can think, something of value, somebody's gonna try to get the one up on you. And this is not the first person we have seen try to sell fake shoes to Stockx. I just want you guys to go search on YouTube selling fakes on Stockx, and people have been doing it for a very, very long time. It's kind of crazy. But again, this is like one of the things, you're not actually there to say they got it from another, unauthorized source and try to sell it on there, and they could just be doing it for content purposes. But if that is the case, and it's been, fakes getting slipped through, and people have told me in the past that they have got fakes slipped through from Stockx, and this is one of the things, like, you got to take it how you see it. You know what I'm saying? Perception is everything. But again, back to the video that we seen earlier in the video, that dude was so confident. He like, man, ain't no fake slipping through here, ain't no UA slipping through here, only 100% guarantee items. And the dude next to him, he was like, are they really fake? You know what I'm saying? So he pretty much was like, don't talk no more, don't say nothing else. They didn't even put a tag on them joints. It was just a whole weird situation. But again, just putting on top of the fact that they can't guarantee your pair's real on top of this video, on top of all other aspects of StockX, it does not help their case at all. And again, I'm not saying they do sell fakes. I'm not saying that they sell 100% authentic. I, like I said, step to the side from StockX, even though me in the past, I have purchased plenty of shoes. I'm talking about plenty of shoes, and I've had issues with StockX in the past. Some crazy stuff has been going on, but let me know in the comment section if you have still been shopping with StockX. Let me know if you received any UAs from StockX or anything of that nature. And I'm pretty sure some people watching today's video that still shop with them currently, like right now. Somebody probably scrolling on StockX trying to buy something, and you was like, hold on, let me YouTube some stuff, and y'all see me now. So hey, how you doing? But again, man, you gotta take it with a grain of salt. At the end of the day, you're either gonna buy from them or you're not. You can always buy from them and get them, you know, secondary checked from like a resale shop in your local area, or, you know, use different apps. There's so many apps nowadays that you can use and utilize. And I think you gotta pay like a small fee to actually authenticate the sneaker. So, you know, you can still use them, I would say, but you're taking a risk at the end of the day. It's your money. That's what I always tell people. It's your money, man. Buy what you like. Buy what you like. But on the flip side of that, if you wanna, you know, actually get something that you pay for, your hard-earned money, of course, if you're paying for something that's real, you wanna receive something that's 100% real at the end of the day, if you get what I'm saying, man. And I know you guys seen yesterday's video. We were talking about the Air Jordan 12 flu games. Them joints right there are going to turn some heads, and I cannot wait. I made so many videos talking about these, kind of pre-warning folks, and I'm gonna make a video Saturday, and I'm gonna say, I told y'all. Y'all didn't listen. There's gonna be so many people in the comment section saying, oh man, I didn't know it's gonna be this hard to get. I can't believe I ain't listened to the vintage. I should have put in my footwork. And my pinned comment is gonna say, I told you so. Like Boosie, in Boosie voice, I told you so. Like for real, man, y'all don't be listening to me, but it is what it is. Maybe one day, you know, a couple more people start listening to your boy, because I'll be putting 2 and 2 things together. And if again, the Blueberry 12 deal what they did, the Air Jordan 3 Black Hats, the Air Jordan 5 Black Metallics, these flu games are like up there, in my opinion. Flu games, all the releases we've gotten in the past, and Blueberries are like down here, in my opinion. So the flu games are going to turn heads. It's going to do numbers. I'm not talking about resale. I'm talking about in terms of the amount of people going out to get them, the hype, if you want to call it that. It's going to be one of them ones, and I cannot wait for the release. We got to do a vlog, something crazy, because them joints right there is one of them ones. And it's one of the must-haves in the collection, man. But I appreciate you guys for tapping in. Make sure you subscribe right now to the channel. Hit the notification bell for your boy, and make sure you run the likes up ASAP right now. That will be greatly appreciated. ASAP right now. Y'all know what I meant, ASAP Rocky. Y'all know what we talking about, man. But I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. And with all this being said, man, your boy The Vintage. Gonna catch you guys in next video, man. Peace.